Don't jump to conclusions about ETH pullbacks, says traders. Welcome to Crypto Atlas. If you're new to the channel, do not forget to hit subscribe for the latest in crypto news, and also hit that thumbs up like button. It's greatly appreciated. With that being said, let's go ahead and dive straight into the news. Bitcoin's price dropped 15% after spot Bitcoin ETFs started trading, but traders aren't so sure that Ether's price will react the same way. Traders are skeptical about assuming that the price of Ether will decline after the launch of spot Ether exchange traded funds, or ETFs, similar to what happened with Bitcoin after spot Bitcoin ETFs started trading. Quote, I think there is less likelihood of a sell-off here after the ETH ETF compared to the Bitcoin ETF, crypto trader Matthew Hyland explained in a May 24th post on X. Hyland pointed out that, unlike Ether, Bitcoin had not experienced a price decline in the period leading up to the approval of spot Bitcoin ETFs on January 10th. The Bitcoin ETF had no pullbacks in the months leading into it. The selling pressure began when the Grayscale ETF was listed the following day, Hyland added. Since the launch of spot Bitcoin ETFs, Grayscale Bitcoin Trust has shed $17.6 billion in assets, as per Farside data. Ether had declined by 15% over 2 months by May 20th, up until reports suggested the SEC may have pivoted its stance toward ETF approvals. Ether then surged 29% shortly after the news within 3 days. At the time of publication, Ether is trading at $3,752 as per CoinMarketCap data. However, there have been concerns about Grayscale's plans to convert its Grayscale Ethereum Trust to an ETF, potentially resulting in selling pressure and price impact. One key similarity is both have a Grayscale product. The Grayscale ETF led to selling pressure for Bitcoin. Likely we'll see the same for the ETH ETF once the product is listed, Hyland stated. Hyland predicted upward momentum for Ether's price. However, as it reached local highs of $4,092 in March this year without the positive news of spot Ether ETF approval, the year-to-date all-time high came not long before ETF analyst Eric Balkunis dropped his approval hopes for spot Ether ETFs to 25%. Meanwhile, MN Trading consultancy founder Michael Van de Pope echoed a similar sentiment of uncertainty until the spot Ether ETFs start trading. Quote, it's a waiting time until the listing takes place, and then the inflow will provide whether there's a strong continuation upwards, Van Pope declared in a May 24th X post. On May 24th, Cointelegraph reported on the widespread commentary regarding the lack of movement in Ether's price following the approval of spot Ether ETFs from the SEC. Independent Ethereum educator Sasso declared that, quote, ETH is stupidly undervalued, arguing that the market has had only 3 days to price in the ETF approval. What do you think? Let us know down in the comments below. Would love to get your opinion on this. Do keep in mind that it's a holiday weekend. I would not be surprised if trading falls a bit flat over the course of this weekend, but crypto markets are unpredictable. I want to get your opinion. Share it down in the comments below. If you're trying to make as much as possible in this crypto market, you can look at leverage trading, also known as margin trading. And there's a crypto exchange called Margex that provides that. I do have a referral link down in the description below. If you use that with this exchange, there's no KYC, so you can get started in about 1 minute or so. They offer leverage trading ranging from 5x all the way up to 100x. You can also buy crypto directly on their platform. These are just some of the examples. They have copy trading, so if you're not confident in your trading skills, you can go ahead and see how other people are performing. You offer up collateral, and then you set up autopilot with 1 click. Then they also have staking options. So there's a lot that's available here. If you use my referral link, you can get up to $10,000 in bonuses. This is available in a lot of different regions. If it's not available in your region, some people may decide to use a VPN, but obviously that's up to you. Then there's also HG Access, an exclusive trading group. This has about 2,300 members. If you want to learn about tokens before they drop in YouTube videos, such as my channel or some of these other big YouTubers, then you can join this exclusive group. You can get that inside knowledge before these videos drop. That's one of the perk benefits. That is through Patreon, link in the description. Thank you so much to my personal Patreon supporters. A double shout out thank you to Victor Vegas and Worlza Rizvi for being higher level patrons, and my YouTube members for your support as well. God bless. We'll see you in the next episode.